Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Playdeem.com. It is basically an online kind of game application that provides you with a wide variety of earning options. So you can earn money by doing different simple tasks like playing the game and spinning the wheel and different other various tasks like referring it to others. So it provides you with a 24/7 chat support as well if you're struggling with your withdrawals or any other thing. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, the Playdeem application at 3.1 rating, which is an average rating, but it is only based on 2 reviews. So I would say like no, pretty much not more of most of the people haven't given any reviews on about this application on Trustpilot. So I tried searching for it on the Play Store application, and as you can see, it has 100,000 plus downloads. So this is a major good signal about this application. And the domain name was registered recently in 2025. So this raises concerns about the authenticity of this platform. But it got really popular because, as you can see, 100k plus downloads on Google Play Store. So in conclusion, I would say like there is no harm in giving it a shot. Like you can play the game, but don't invest too much time initially. Just give it a shot and play a little bit of it and just try it out if you can actually withdraw your money. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.